In this example, we're going to simplify a rational expression. The first step in simplifying any rational expression is to factor anything that can possibly be factored. In my rational expression, the only thing that can be factored is my numerator. It might be very tempting to say that this can be factored here, but it's not a difference of squares because it's not a difference. Anytime you have a polynomial that looks like this, but it's not a difference, this is not a difference of squares, therefore that polynomial is prime. Now let's go ahead and factor my numerator. The numerator is the difference of squares. So with the difference of squares, one will be positive, one will be negative, and we take the square root of each term. Notice that I have another polynomial that can be factored again. This polynomial is a difference of squares, so let's factor that one again. Now at this point, let's go ahead and see what we can cancel out. These two are actually identical, even though they're reversed. Remember, when we're adding, it doesn't matter the order that we add. We can add in either order and it's the same answer. Therefore, even with these switched around, it's still the same. We can cancel these out. Notice that these look very similar, except for what? The signs are different. Here we have a positive 2y. There we have a negative. There we have a negative x. There we have a positive. So I can factor out a negative from one of these to make the signs different. So I'm going to factor out a negative sign from my numerator. And doing so will allow me to switch the order. Factor out a negative sign. Now I can write this as x minus 2y. And now I can simplify these terms here, which leaves me with my final answer of negative 2y plus x.